Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें and bell icon दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे special classes है वहाँ पर आप लोग live real-time interaction कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of this special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to this teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real-time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through polls. So poll leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले you can download the Unacademy Learner app. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज यू हैव टू एंटर योर मोबाइल नंबर एंड OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. देन यू विल गेट वन OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. You can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBSE classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBSE क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get de-notified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. So friends, welcome to the today's lecture. So what we are going to study, what will we study today? So हम लोगों ने देखा how to use the database. We have seen the introduction to the database. Now we are going to see topic that is introducing database. Some practice series questions we are going to see in today's lecture. एग्जाम में कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं and for which question how to write the answer. I am going to give you one sample format for that. So let us start with that. So I will open here one word file, sorry. Introducing So we will start with our question number 1. What is database and what is its significance? So how to write the answer for the question? Database क्या होता है and what is its significance? So we have seen in the lecture also, a database is a collection of logically related data. Database क्या होता है? A logically related data का collection होता है. And the database systems towards data centrally at one place where from all applications can get the data required. So the centralized storage facilities are having many advantages. Like, so first one is the controlled redundancy, then second one is data sharing, then third one is the data consistency, then fourth one is the standardization, then next one is the enhanced data security. So these are some advantages of the database management systems. Then next question, देखिए मैं जो questions and answers आपको बता, these are some sample formats. You can write the answers like that, and you can add your own some points also, so that you will get the more benefit regarding. The next question is the write a short note on DBMS software option. तो देखिए डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम की जो सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने MS एक्सेस देखने वाले हैं, देयर आर सो मेनी सॉफ्टवेयर देयर. So DBMS software allows you to perform operations related to databases and storing the records in the databases. So it offers many features to manage the database. Likewise, within the file, one can divide one's data into separate storage containers called as tables. Then one can view add and update table data using forms. Then one can find and retrieve just the data which is required using queries, and one can analyze or print data in a specific layout using reports. सो देखिए यहाँ पर DBMS सॉफ्टवेयर फंक्शनिंग कैसे करता है. So first, DBMS software allows you to perform the operations related to databases and storing the records in the databases. So it offers the many features to manage the database. That is, within the file, one can divide one's data into separate storage containers, which are called as the tables. One can view, add, and update the table data using the forms. Then one can find and retrieve just the data which is required using queries. And obviously, one can analyze or print data in a specific layout using reports. So now let us move towards the next question. That is question number 3. What do you understand by tables in a database management system? So in a database management system, various types of objects together manage and maintain the system. The tables are one of them. So a table is a container that stores the data pertaining to the single object, subject or purpose. देखिए, एक database management system में we are having the various types of object together that can manage and maintain the system. So tables are the one of the example of this. So a table is a container that stores the data pertaining to single object, subject or purpose. So for example, what we can say, an employee table may contain all information pertaining to an employee. For example, employee ID or number, employee name, then designation of employee, then department, then grade, then basics, and so on. So similarly, attendance table may contain data pertaining to the attendance of employees, for example हम लोग कंसिडर कर सकते हैं एम्प्लॉय आईडी, then months, then years, then number of days worked, then number of leaves taken, then CL, then LWP, then PL, then so on. अब फिर इसमें और भी डाल सकते हैं हम OD. Say that is casual leaves होते हैं, then LWP leaves without payment होते हैं, then some privilege leaves होती हैं, ऑफिस ड्यूटी की leaves होती है. देखिए अभी यहाँ पर अगर टेबल कंसिडर करेंगे, there are two tables we have designed here. First one is an employee table may contain all information pertaining to an employee. So for example here what we can say, employee ID, employee name, designation of the employee, and the next point, department, grade, basics, and so on. So similarly, the attendance of employees containing the employee ID, employee months, years, number of days worked, then number of leaves taken like CL, LWP, PL, OD, and so. So here both these tables reside in a single database as what we can say, the both of them are related to single object called employee. So these two tables are maintained to minimize redundancy. So अब ये दोनों टेबल जो है we are going to recite this in a single database as both of them are related to single object called as the employee. So these tables are maintained to minimize the redundancy. So इससे क्या होता है, duplications जो होते हैं वो avoid होते हैं. So therefore lastly we can conclude, tables provide a way to store related data as both of them are related to single object called employee. So what we can conclude that these tables provide one row to store the data and taking care of the things like reduced, what we can say, redundancy, then standardization and data integrity. Okay, so we can write the answer like that. That is, if the question is what do you understand by tables in database management system. So we move to the next question. That is question number 4. What is the difference between flat database and relational database? Relational database और flat database में difference क्या होता है? So we will see that in a flat database, all the data is stored in a single file. For example, spreadsheet. And in a relational database, all the data is stored in multiple tables which are linked via common fields. For example, SQL, it's MySQL will be better. MySQL, then Oracle, then MS Access are examples of relational databases. Okay. Now next question number 5 is there. तो सबसे पहले देखिए, what is the difference between flat database and relational database? दोनों में difference क्या होता है? देखिए, flat database में एक ही single file में जो है आपका पूरा data store होता है. For example, spreadsheet is there, MS Access is there, and in a relational database, data is going to be stored in multiple tables. Multiple tables में आपका data जो है वो store होता है, like common fields like MySQL, Oracle, MS Access are the examples of the relational databases. उसके बाद base of OpenOffice.org. So these are some of the examples of relational databases. Now next question number 5 is, what is primary key? So a primary key is a field that uniquely identifies the records in a table. देखिए प्राइमरी की क्या होती है? इट इज अ फील्ड दैट यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाइज रिकॉर्ड्स इन अ टेबल. टेबल्स में अगर कुछ रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं तो उनको यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए प्राइमरी की जो है वो यूज की जाती है. सो एक क्वेश्चन जो पूछा गया था CBSE एग्जाम के year of 2020, this question was asked, what is a primary? So जो duplications allow नहीं करता है उसको हम लोग primary key कहते हैं, and the primary key is a field that uniquely identifies the records in a table. So friends, I hope you understood this concept. That is introducing databases. We have seen some of the practice questions regarding it. If you want more questions like that, so please let me know in the comment box also. So now let us start with today's quiz session. So let's get started with that. So friends, today आज का quiz हम लोग start करते हैं. So today's IT quiz, आज के quiz में 20 questions will be there. And each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started. So here is question number 1 on your screen. A company should have at least dash exit rules for proper evacuation during an emergency. Your options are A1, B2, C4 and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is B2. देखिए कंपनी के पास एटलीस्ट 2 एग्जिट रूट्स होने चाहिए फॉर प्रॉपर इवैक्यूएशन ड्यूरिंग एन इमरजेंसी. So here is the question number 2 on your screen. If you need to call 100, that is 100 or 112 in an emergency, what should you tell the dispatcher? First one, A, describe the emergency. B, give exact address of emergency. C, give your name and telephone number of the phone you are using, and D, all of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is B, give exact address of emergency. देखिए if you are going to describe the emergency, you are going to give your number and telephone number, it will be the wastage of time, and in emergency each and every minute and second is important. So correct answer is आपको क्या करना है, give the exact address of the emergency. Then question number 3 is on your screen. The employer or the company is responsible for administrating and managing workplace safety steps. True or false? Your time starts now. टाइम अप। यस, एक कंपनी की यानी कि एक एम्प्लॉय की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो वर्क प्लेस सेफ्टी स्टेप्स जो है प्रॉपरली मैनेज करें। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, ट्रू। Then question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following should be included at your home for first aid kit? Options are A. Hydrogen peroxide, B. Aspirin, C. Calamine solution, lotion, and lastly all of the above. So your time starts now. टाइम अप। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। जी हाँ, आपके फर्स्ट एड किट में जो घर पर आप लोग फर्स्ट एड किट यूज़ करते हैं यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, एस्पिरिन और कैलामाइन लोशन, ये तीन चीज़ें होनी चाहिए। देन वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. True or false? Your correct answer reading and time started. Yes, it is correct that Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. बहुत ही बड़ा हादसा था ये। Near about 15,000 to 20,000 animals and human beings were suffered from this, and the death rate was also very high. So it was happened due to the lack of safety measures. Then question number 6, that is, it is okay to keep one password for all your accounts. So answers are A, true, B, false. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B, false. That is, it is not okay to keep one password for all your accounts. That is, if one account is getting hacked, then your all password will be there to hackers. Then question number 7, that is, we should prefer private browsing mode. True or false? Your time starts now. So it is true that we should prefer private browsing modes to have the safety features. Then the question number 8, antiviruses help you to get rid of viruses. True or false? Yes, obviously it is true that antiviruses helps you to get rid of viruses. Then the question number 9 is on your screen. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping. Then we will move towards the next question. A person who writes a blog is called as A. Blog, B. Blogger, C. Blogging, and D. Blogosphere. So your time starts now. A person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. B, blogger is the correct answer. And question number 11 is here on screen. Out of the following, which is or are the components of an email? A, username, B, domain, C, @ and D, all of the above. So your time starts now. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. जी हाँ, ये सारे कंपोनेंट के सिवाय, जब 3 कंपोनेंट्स के सिवाय ईमेल आईडी कंप्लीट होता ही नहीं है. दैट इज यूजर नेम इज कंपल्सरी, डोमेन नेम इज कंपल्सरी एंड @ इज कंपल्सरी. दैट इज फॉर्मेट इज यूजर नेम @ domain name. So all of these components are necessary for email. Then question number 12 is here on this scale. What are the types of wireless connection? A, Wi-Fi, B, WiMAX, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. So both Wi-Fi and WiMAX are the types of wireless connection. So correct option is C, both A and B. Then the question number 13 is here on screen. Wi-Fi hotspots are totally secure to use. True or false? Time starts now. Obviously, the correct answer is B, false. Wi-Fi hotspots are not secure to use. The next question is, that is, wireless router doesn't require ISP. True or false? Your time starts now. It is obviously false that wireless routers doesn't require ISP. It requires actually ISP. The next question is, what is DSL? A is digital system line, B digital subscriber line, C differential system line link, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. So DSL stands for B डिजिटल सब्सक्राइबर लाइन, जो कि इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी के लिए यूज की जाती है. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. व्हाट इज ISP? ऑप्शंस आर A इंटरनेट सिस्टम प्रोवाइडर, B इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, C इंस्टेंट सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडर, एंड D none of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is ISP is B इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, जो कि इंटरनेट सर्विसेज के लिए यूज किया जाता है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 is on your screen. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A FTP, B HTTP, C HTTPS, and D any of these. Your time starts now. So the correct answer for entering personal and financial information for online transaction, a URL must begin with C HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So the question number 18 is on your screen. What is IM? A instant mailing, B immediate messaging, C instant messaging, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. सो देखिए, व्हाट इज आई मीन्स इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग। जैसे कि आप लोग ऑनलाइन चैटिंग वगैरह करते हो, सो उसको इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग कहा जाता है। लेकिन जैसे कि फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, ट्विटर है, देन गूगल हैंगआउट्स आर देयर। दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग, दैट इज live and real time chatting is nothing but that instant message. So the next question number 19 is here on your screen. Use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to A. Singing, B. Shouting, C. Threatening, and D. Complaining. So your time starts now. So use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to shouting। ठीक है, जैसे कि कैप्स लॉक आप लोग चैटिंग में यूज करते हो, सो उसको शाउटिंग की तरह, चिल्लाने की तरह कंसिडर किया जाएगा। सो दैट्स व्हाई इट शुड बी अवॉइडेड एट इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू एंड इक्विवेलेंट टू द शाउटिंग। उसको थोड़ा सा ऑर्गन भी कहा जाएगा। Then the next question, that is question number 20, is on your screen. The act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as dash. Your options are A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. both A and B, and lastly D. none of the above. So your time starts now. So the act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as per the name, e-ticketing. So e-shopping में हम लोग देखा, you can buy items online, that is purchase goods online, and you can reserve the tickets online using the e-tickets. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session with new topic. Till then, bye. So the next feature for the plus and iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for plus and iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's start it. So friends, an academy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners, and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer, and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अनअकैडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है. सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. जी हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है, इट इज गोइंग टू एंड. सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे, देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन, लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 एंड 18 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, देन you will get that is a free Creative Corner subscription for 2 months. So whether it is plus or iconic based on your subscription. Then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free Creative Corner subscription for 4 months. जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा, अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक. सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए. दैट इज टोटली फ्री. प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा, एंड आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा. सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर, एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड that is given here, that is TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription, and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with Unacademy subscription, you will get with one subscription comes the great benefits like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects. 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा, एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम. ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा. यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses. And yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription, you will be having a lot of confusion. So jaldi कीजिए students, choice is after all yours. So subscribe now before it is too late. So the next exams are, I think, just 2 months, right? So you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code. So please use my educator referral code, that is TD Live, so to get the 10% discount. So jaldi कीजिए, hurry up, the time is getting over. So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know. So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants. So ये बैच किसी लिए है, देखिए फॉर CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए. एंड यस, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट on the 31st of the August 2021. 31st August को बैच स्टार्ट होगी and we are having the subjects like maths and science with the expert teachers. Yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also. And also अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के एस्पिरेंट्स हो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th, सो यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31st August 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है. सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस. तो देखिए मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of August 2021. सो वैसे ही CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और CBSE क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच. It is for maths it is going to start on 17th of September 2021 and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021. So yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises. So students जो अभी से class 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it. And yes, you can use my code that is TD Live for flat 10% off discount. So देख किस बात की है students, join our new Lakshya Foundation batches. So friends, let me tell you about the basic plan about the plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic. That is iconic जो है ये plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started. And yes, obviously at Iconic, you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. You are having the India's best educators as well as the interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs also. And in Iconic में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ Iconic में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज एंड पीडीएफ्स आल्सो. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, लाइव इंटरेक्शन विथ योर मेंटर्स आल्सो, एंड यस ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट कनेक्ट भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, दैट इज टीचर पेरेंट कनेक्शन रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड दैट इज TD Live फॉर फ्लैट 10% ऑफ डिस्काउंट फॉर बोथ दैट इज ऑन द प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सॉल्यूशन. सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट द प्लस और आइकॉनिक बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइसेस. सो उसके प्लान्स कैसे देखिए, अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 फॉर द 3 months, दैट इज 2,500 फॉर per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. If you are going for the 48 month subscription उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा and 830 will be for per month. देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए द सेम केस फॉर 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 एंड 40 months. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा with 4,000 per month. Then next one is 6 months 17,000 रहेगा with 2,833 per month. Then 12 months का रहेगा 28,000. Then 15 months का रहेगा 32,000. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000. 24 months का रहेगा 48,000. 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 and 48 months का रहेगा 83,000. That is 1,729 per month. So वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10th 11th और 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए. 3 मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए. 6 मंथ का रहेगा 3,000 के लिए. 12 मंथ्स का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए. 15 मंथ्स का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए. देन 18 मंथ्स का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए. एंड 24 मंथ्स का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए. एंड लास्टली 36 मंथ का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा. And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th 11th and 12th subscription. That is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000. Then 6 months का 17,000. 12 months का 28,000. 15 months का 32,000. That is 2,133 per month. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए. एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए. ऑब्वियसली वैसे क्या रहेगा 36 मंथ का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के. दैट इज 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So student, जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन that is based on your choice, that is plus or iconic, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट ला रही है. जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन, अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट. सो इस बार यू कैन विन द स्कॉलरशिप वर्थ ₹2 crore. So link is given in the description box. So obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday and you can use my code, that is TDLive, for the educator referral bonus. So देखिए Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दे होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दे होंगे. So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Compact Scholarship Tips, that is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth ₹2 crore. देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो ले लिए थे बैचेस उसके 1 crore के थे. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग द 2 crore स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर. सो आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यू कैन विन द प्राइजेस आल्सो. एंड दिस मेगा कॉम्बैट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट आर फॉर CBSE क्लासेस 9th and class 10th. सो डेट लिख लीजिए. द अपकमिंग मेगा कॉम्बैक्ट इज ऑन August 29th 2021 at 11 AM. सो एनरोल नाइन लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही. सो उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा. यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस एंड 45 minutes फॉर दैट. These questions and you are having the 45 minutes to solve this. The test will be obviously available in Hindi as well as English language. Both languages में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी. And test will be live. It will be the free live test on your Android application. So जल्दी कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. डेट लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TDLive, for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10% off. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try its all of the features for free using my code, that is TDLive. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.